Civil 3D is a dynamic, model-based engineering tool for civil engineers, surveyors, and anyone else in the civil and survey industry. Civil 3D uses dynamic and intelligent objects to accomplish design creation. These intelligent objects include points, alignments, profiles, cross-sections, surfaces, corridor models, parcels, and grading objects. All of these dynamic objects are style-based, which means their display is controlled by styles. Most of these dynamic objects are stored in the drawing, rather than in an external database in folders on your hard drive. Like most other Windows programs, Civil 3D utilizes a multiple document interface, which means you could have multiple drawings open at the same time, even drawings from different projects. The dynamic objects within Civil 3D update other objects when changes occurs. For example, if a surface is updated and there is an alignment with the profile sampled along that surface, then the profile is automatically updated without the need to issue any other commands. Civil 3D makes extensive use of style-based dynamic objects, and there are 3 different types of styles that are used within Civil 3D. First, object styles control the display of the geometry of the objects themselves. For instance, with a surface, the object style may control whether that surface is displayed as contours, tin triangulation, elevation banding, or slope analysis. It would also control the color and line type of any of those features within that object. Label styles control the display, look, and behavior of annotation connected to those objects. For example, station labels along the alignment would be controlled by a label style. And finally, table styles control the display and behavior of tables that contain information about a single object or many objects related to each other within that table. When configured properly, styles help companies create and apply standards to ensure consistency and organization throughout the company's drawings. The multiple document interface in Civil 3D allows you to have multiple drawings open at the same time. These can be drawings from within the same project or different projects. It is important to remember, though, that when you open a new drawing in Civil 3D, it does not automatically close the previous drawing, as you may be used to if you have used AutoCAD Land Desktop.